Success in today's technological world begins with a partner you can rely on. Agility, rapid response, and global local coverage. That's USI. For decades, USI has been a benchmark of reliability in electronic manufacturing services. We serve a wide spectrum of markets: wireless communication, cloud and storage, automotive, industrial, consumer, and healthcare. Behind it all stands a network of smart manufacturing sites spread across 4 continents. With excellence in service, robust quality systems, and a fully integrated global supply chain, we continuously create value for our customers. Our core strengths shine through: stability, efficiency, innovation, delivering world-class manufacturing excellence, rapid response from process to production, enabling swift scalability, a global team with local flexibility, working side by side with our customers' needs. For over 2 decades, we have built strong roots in mainland China, backed by a resilient and dedicated team culture. Led by an experienced management team, we remain committed to excellence in electronic manufacturing. USI Kunshan. Our factory leads in SiP module manufacturing, specializing in AI server and GPU production. Through full-line automation, we deliver high efficiency and yield, supporting fast, flexible deliveries. By combining AI and 5G, we empower digital and intelligent operations for data centers. Our expert teams provide advanced testing and automation solutions, setting a new benchmark for smart manufacturing. USI Suzhou. We focus on high-flexibility manufacturing with a dedicated DFX design center serving global customers. Our 17,000 square meter Automotive Excellence Center produces core products like inverters and electric compressors, fully automated lines, and a BI digital platform enable real-time monitoring, data-driven decision-making, and a high-quality, high-efficiency model of smart manufacturing. USI Huizhou. At the heart of the Greater Bay Area, we provide end-to-end services from PCBA and modules to finished systems. With strengths in consumer electronics, industrial systems, communications, and healthcare, we bring precision manufacturing, clean room capabilities, and large-scale product expertise. With a reliable team and advanced smart manufacturing, we deliver high-quality, highly flexible solutions for our customers. At USI, we believe success is not only about profitability, it's about making a positive impact on the world. From solar-powered operations to zero-waste manufacturing, sustainability is at the heart of what we do. Green factory certifications, carbon reduction goals, and responsible sourcing all reflect one commitment: building a future where technology and sustainability advance together. Across Kunshan, Suzhou, and Huizhou, USI delivers a value with global vision and local excellence to customers. Together with USI, let's build a future that is reliable, innovative, and sustainable.